Hi guys, so you are getting ready to start a Nearpod today. This is just like yesterday. You're going to go through, you're going to read, watch some videos, answer some questions. And I wanted to go through the expectations again and add a couple of things that I noticed from yesterday's Nearpod that I want us to fix for today. So the first expectation, the same as yesterday, your focus should be on this Nearpod. You should not have any other tabs open, and you should stay on this page the entire time. Everything you need to do for this Nearpod, every question, every video, every thing that you need to read is in this Nearpod, and you can get to it just by clicking that blue button on the right. So there is no need for you to be on another tab. There's no need for you to have anything else open. Everything is right here for you to do. Number 2, there are multiple videos within this Nearpod for you to watch. You should watch the entire video. Do not skip through. It is important that you hear and know the information given in those videos. I don't think this was an issue yesterday. I think there are 2, besides this video, there are 2 other videos, or 3, I can't remember exactly, in this Nearpod for you to watch. I want you to take your time, watch those. They give a lot of good information in a way that I think you all enjoy more than having to read everything. I include those videos so that you don't have to read every single thing on your own. You can watch a video instead. Number 3, you should answer every question given in this Nearpod. Make sure you hit submit on your answer so you get credit. I'm taking a grade on this Nearpod. I cannot grade your work if you do not submit it. This was a little bit of an issue yesterday. So I had some people who I was getting like partial answers, and I don't know if that was maybe because you ran out of time or what the issue was, but there were some people who did not get full credit because they didn't give a full answer, or they didn't give an answer at all. For instance, there was a fill in the blank that like 2 of the 3 would be filled, or 2 of the 5 would be filled in, and then the other 3 would just be empty. So make sure that you're answering the question completely and hitting submit. The other thing, and this is something I always say to you all, you're in 5th grade. Your answers should be in complete sentences. Make sure you're typing it out. Make sure you've got a capital letter, punctuation, correct grammar. I don't take off for spelling. Try and do your best with spelling. But that capital letter and punctuation, non-negotiable. You have got to have that. Last thing, take your time. There is no prize for being the first person finished. You will probably not finish this Nearpod today, and that is totally fine. Same thing as yesterday. I am filming this on Monday afternoon. Yesterday or tomorrow has not happened yet. I do not know how long we stayed on Zoom. I don't know how much time you have to work on this. I suppose there is a chance that you could finish this. If you do, there are options for what you can do when you're done on the very last slide, just like there was yesterday. Miss Fulkerson's homeroom, we have talked about this in our Zoom today, which for you all would be yesterday. And we're going to talk about it tomorrow, which for you all would be today. Hope that's not confusing. But if you are finished, then it's probably time for you to go on, or you can just take a little break before it's time to start your next class. Otherwise, if you have questions, send me messages on Canvas. Miss Fulkerson's class, if you're home, your parents can send me a message on Class Dojo. Other than that, I think that's it. Take your time, do your very best. I was very impressed with your work yesterday. I want to see that same level of work today.